Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So there's a reason why I look crazy, but I already went ahead and sectioned off my hair and how I want it to go. So I sectioned off 2 parts on the side. I'm going to be braiding those, and then I'm going to be putting some buns in the middle. So I'm going to have like this little braided mohawk bun style. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some edge control and begin doing my first braid.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.
So that first braid is complete, and then I just went ahead and did my other braid off camera.
Just watch me.
So now I'm just going to start with the first section of hair in the middle. I'm just going to go with some eco styler and kind of slick that down.
Keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hand.
So jumping ahead, I'm just going to show you the last section of hair, and I'm going to take the 2 braids that I did previously and add it to this ponytail.
Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So now I'm just splitting that first section of hair into 2, and then I'm going to take the first part, the first section closest to my face, and kind of tuck my ends under, creating a bun, and then I'm just going to pin it down with a bobby pin.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat.
And with the other piece, I'm just going to flip it in the opposite direction. So literally the same thing for each section. You flip the first part toward the front of your face, and then the second part toward the back of your head.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
So now that I'm all done with my buns, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some hair jewelry in, add these little rings to the side of my braids just to kind of jazz up the style.
Anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait
So
and
that's
see if
it. I
it's
wanted to
worth
keep
your
this video short and sweet. But I hope you guys like this style. Let me know if you guys are going to try it out. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.